Zack the lazy zebra. Zack the lazy zebra live in a one zoo. All day long, what Zack do? In sleep. Zzz. The zookeeper then bring a zebra snack, but it no wake up Zack. Zack a no zest. Ain't want fi rest. Them zap Zack with one garden hose. Them bang one drum. Then tickle him nose. Zack eye then stay close. He want fi doze. Then try one zillion zany trick them. Them up around pan one pogo stick. Zack think them trick them boring. Him go and snore. Good day. Come Zed. A zebra with one zing. In zoom and in zigzag around everything. I wonder if Zed a go make Zack wake up and leap. But look here now. The two zebra them no gone to sleep. Zzz, zzz. Everything done now. Cause the zookeeper them then just give up on their scheme. Then just wish Zack and Zed sweet zebra dreams. Zzz, zzz.